Hello guys, so I want to show you something about Photoroom. I'm gonna use this photo now to show you. Just gonna open Photoroom with this shortcut. Alright, good to go. So this is it. So maybe you get to experience something like this because yeah, you definitely will come to this place because this one we are going for, the backgroundless one. So you go to that one and then now we want to remove this place, right? So you click on this person, not the background, the person. Click on the person and then what you go to next is cutout. So you go to cutout and then you go to object HD. Then you go to object HD and you just allow it to do this. See, you get better work. That is how you go about it, easy and cool. You can as well use the manual too, but I won't tell you to do that except you love stress. This one is just okay. The manual too is not they have a guide here. This will tell you all you need to know. The first one is frame the object you want to keep. That means if you have a lot of objects there, a lot of pictures or whatever, you use this frame to just select that particular picture you want, you get, and then you press confirm. The next one is say use the brush in green to add the missing parts of your object. Maybe there are some parts that when you use the basic one, maybe some part did not show. Let's say some parts did not show now, and you want that part to show. You use the green brush to add that missing part. You get, yeah. So that's how you do it. Then of course for you use the red one to erase the background. Okay, let's try something else. And of course, to ensure that you save your work, don't just go back like that. So when you do this, ensure you save it before you leave this page, before you leave the page. So what you do now is to download it from here, right, and save to gallery. That's how you do it. So we're gonna try something else now. So you see this now. So just like what I said earlier, that if you are using the manual tool, now you are going to use the green brush to just add that place you want to add this missing part. But then no need to go through that stress. Just go to cutout, go to object HD. This object HD works each time, so you just go to object HD. And most times the photo room is actually cool, so it's not every time you are going to be having issues of the photo, some parts did not show and all. But if ever you get to experience that, just go to and use this object HD. That is all. Alright, do have a blessed day.